Hey guys, this is Anuraag Mittal, a student of mechanical engineering from Delhi Technological University. Today I am going to present you on the topic carburation, which is a part of SI engines. Now, as you all know, the air fuel mixture which is required inside the engine cylinder is usually prepared outside the engine cylinder, and this mixture is prepared in an apparatus which is known as carburetor, which consists of various parts, which includes a venturi, a air passage, and a fuel bath. And the process due to uh, due to which it is prepared is known as carburation. Now, as we all know, during the suction stroke of the four-stroke engine or a two-stroke engine, the the air vacuum is created inside air cylinder, engine cylinder, due to which a pressure differential is created inside from different created, due to which due to which the air is rushed through the carburetor inside the engine cylinder, and while it is passed through the carburetor, it is mixed with the fuel in appropriate quantity, so that it is able to burn inside the engine cylinder. Now I'm going to talk about some factors which is very important while considering the carburation and its process. Carburation and the process involving in it. First of all, I would like to talk about a process in which the time which is required for the carburation. Usually, when the engine, nowadays engines are very fast, so the carburation process needs to be very fast, due to which there is some impurities which get into the engine cylinder, ultimately which affects the engine efficiency. Similarly, when we talk about uh, temperature of the air fuel mixture which is getting inside the engine cylinder is also important aspect. Other aspect we talk about is the engine design, which is required while passage which require a smooth passage of air fuel mixture into the engine cylinder. Another requirement is the quality of fuel. Now, quality of fuel is very important now, because it ultimately affects the efficiency of engine and on various processes. Now I will give you a brief description of a simple carburetor system which is used inside the engine, inside the automobile, or you can say any IC engine. This is a simple process which is this is a simple carburetor which is used inside the engine cylinder. This this is known as the bath, where the fuel is collected from the fuel tank, which is a part of the automobile. This is a scrubber through which the fuel is passed, so that impurities are separated and pure fuel is able to collect here. This is this is a needle valve which regulates the amount of fuel inside the fuel bath. When it comes down, the entry of fuel is allowed, and fuel enters into this bath. And once it goes up, it closes down the valve, and the fuel entry is closed. This is known as the duct. Through this, the the fuel is being sprayed into the uh, passage of air which is created in this part of the system. Here the air enters, and here air moves into the engine cylinder. This the passage in this passage, there is a part which is known as venturi. Due to this venturi, the pressure differential is created. How this is created? This is a part of a Bernoulli's theorem, which says that if area of the cross section of the passage is decreased, the velocity increases, ultimately it decreases the pressure, as a result of which here it is the atmospheric pressure, there is a decreased pressure, due to which the fuel flows into this and is sprayed into the air fuel mixture and uh, mixes with it. This is known as choke valve, which regulates the entry of the fuel. This is known as blow valve. This is known as blow valve, throttle valve, which also regulates the exit of the air. These two valves are flowed fully when it is opened fully when the load is very high, and is closed when the load is very less. This is the process through which the air and fuel is mixed and is fed into the engine cylinder. Now, this is a very simple process, but ultimately what we require is much more than this, much more than this process. So some compensating systems are also provided inside the carburation, which includes air bleed jet, which provides additional air. Then we talk about compensating jet, and then we talk about emulsion tube. Another is known as back suction control mechanism, auxiliary air valve, auxiliary air port, and needle type altitude compensation device. These all devices enhance the carburetor functioning and improves the efficiency of engine. Thank you.